A few moments later.
Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys my Stratified tuned Focus ST, and I'm gonna be giving you guys my thoughts and my review on the ST. I've had this tune for over a year, so I'm gonna explain to you guys how I like it and how I feel about it and how it's making the car run. So this is my 2017 Focus ST, and inside I have my access port where my tune is integrated inside, so let's come and see it. So this right here is the motherboard of tuning if you have a boosted car. Cobb likes to help out a lot of boosted cars. So when you get your Stratified tune, you buy it online, they send you an email with it, and then you plug in your access port to your computer, and it will simply load up on your maps. So I got your maps, I got my, let it load, my E30 map, my 91 map, and just simple things like that, and then you just plug it into your car and it'll tune on its own. Alright, so earlier today I was running E85 or E30 as you guys like to call it, but for the purpose of this video I ran out and I need to fill up tomorrow, so we're on 91 right now. So I had to change that up. It takes about like a minute for it to load. Just click the map. I'll show you guys once again. You're just gonna go to your maps when your tunes are in your access port. You go to change map, and then you see here your tunes are loaded onto here. We got E30 and 91 pump right there. That's what I'm on right now. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. You guys already know I'm on 91 right now. So once I got the car tuned by Stratified, initially I went with them because they do pops and crackles. I didn't go with the super aggressive ones, like the annoying ones. My car just like pops above 4K, like Focus RS. So I'm happy with that. That's all I need. I don't need to like be annoying and stuff, but I do like to just pop here and there. So with this tune, the throttle response is super aggressive. You get instant torque, so much torque. You get like higher horsepower rate. Your boost just kicks in way better. On stock, you'd be hitting 20 pounds of boost. On 91 with this tune, you hit 21 to 22. On E85, you hit 22 to 23. I'm gonna repeat myself. On stock tune, you'd be hitting like 19 to 20 max, but that's it. Alright, so with this tune, Stratified allows you to pick your default launch control. I went with 3K because that's perfect for a front wheel drive car. So I'll give an example right here of how it sounds like. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys some launches with launch control that comes with the tune, which is 3K default setting, which is honestly perfect. It's going to be a lot of tire spin, but I'm getting new tires probably today or tomorrow, so it doesn't really matter to me. And we'll do some flybys with some crackling, so I'll be like in second gear doing a pull, let off, and it should crackle a lot, so you guys will see that right now. Alright, you guys saw some exhaust clips, and this is how the intake sounds with the launch control. Right, so you guys saw all that launch control. Also, new motor mount that I just installed. Videos coming out, or video already came out actually. So innovative mounts, it did a great job launching, no wheel hops, just straight spin. My tires suck, but I have new ones coming. Launch on this car is so fun. You heard the pulls with the pops. The car just hauls. Fortunately, I'm on 91 right now, not on 85. I did just put 91 for the video because I was running low on E85 or E30. And the car still pulls hard. Don't know exact power numbers. I'd want to say it feels like it's like on 85 the car feels like it's 290, maybe 300, but I doubt it. Torque is up there. Torque is so high. I want to say torque is like 360, 370, or even more. Who even knows? I do need to dyno the car, but according to like Stratified's charts, or just from experience from other people who like dyno their cars on different types of like dynos, with Stratified you make really good reliable power. I trust them, and their crackle tune is fun. I don't have the aggressive crackle tune, but I have the loud one, which is less aggressive. It's fun. Right now I'm letting the car cool down because I full sent it for the video. I also full send it for next video. If you guys want to see the behind the scenes of this video,
check out the video. We did a few more flybys, revs, etc. It's hella crazy. It sounds so good. You guys don't want to miss the video. If you guys haven't already, smash the like button on his channel. Check out, hopefully, in the link description down below for my channel of my review on this car.
Yeah, and we're still gonna let the car cool down for a couple more minutes. But like I said, if you guys want to see a little bit behind the scenes of what we did today, also check out Nick's video. He's uploading one as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.